Hey guys, this is Ms. Gutierrez, and I'm going to be showing you how to do these next couple of questions. On this one, says that it's 355 plus 75. So we're going to be jumping on a number line, and at the top it already tells you what you're going to add. So we have 355, and first we're going to start by adding 40. So on a piece of paper, you should write 355 plus 40. Remember, make sure that your numbers are lined up. So we have 5 plus 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. And then in the hundreds, we have the 3. So what I'm going to be writing is 395. So I'm going to erase the question mark and write 395. Next, I have to add 5. That's super easy. If I have 95 plus 5, if you don't know how to do it, you would do it on your piece of paper. 395 plus 5, if you cannot do it in your head. 5 plus 5 is 10, so the 0 on the bottom, the 1 goes on the top. 9 plus 1, here we have 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 on the bottom, 1 on the top. So now we have 3 plus 1 equals 4. So now we got to the next 100, which is 400. So I'm going to erase this question mark and write 400. I'm going to make this a little bigger. And now it says to that 400, I'm going to add 30. So I can do it on my piece of paper. Let me see if I can erase what I have here. Uh-oh, how do I do this? I'm just going to grab everything. And I'm going to cut. There we go. So now I'm going to write 400 plus 30. So we have 0, 0 plus 3 is 3, and 4. If you can do that in your head, that's perfectly fine. Just make sure that you're getting it right. So that says 430. I'm going to erase this and write 430. Okay, and that's all. So that means that 355 plus 75 will equal 430. That's exactly what you're going to be doing on these next couple of questions. Right here it says plus 100, plus 100, plus 6. So that's 100 plus 100 plus 6, that's 200. So we're adding this second number. Okay, so just make sure that you're filling in the boxes and doing exactly what it says. Plus 100, then to that number plus 40, and then to that number plus 3. Okay, if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll do the best that I can to help you, okay? Bye guys.